The items that we're gonna need for the picadillo are, I have 2.5 pounds of ground meat here. You pick whichever kind you want. I have some chicken stock. I have 2 medium potatoes diced at a small dice. I have a half of a cup of an onion, a 1/4 cup of celery, a 1/4 cup of red bell pepper. I have 2 garlic cloves minced. I have 2 teaspoons of salt, a half of a teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of comino. Okay, I'm gonna flip you over to the stove so we can get started. Okay, the first thing that we're gonna do is we are going to put some olive oil, just about a tablespoon of olive oil, not too much. I already have the skillet nice and hot. Okay, we are going to add our vegetables. We're going to saute these vegetables first. And the reason that I do this way is because I know there's a lot of people that their kids don't like vegetables. And if you get them in here first and cook them down, by the time the meat is done, you won't even see the vegetables. And this is what gives the meat a whole lot of flavor. Okay, the onions are translucent. I am going to add the garlic. And this is, you gotta watch the garlic, make sure it doesn't burn on you. Okay, we're gonna just bring the flavor out in the garlic. Now we are going to, the bell pepper, I put it till a little bit later because I like to see a little bit of the bell pepper at the end. Okay, I'm going to put in the meat. And we are going to brown this. Just break it up. We're going to put our spices in. Add our spices with the salt. And then, of course, you can check your seasoning later. Make sure that you taste your food. And the comino. And now we're going to let this brown. And I'll be right back as soon as this is totally brown. Okay, guys, the meat is totally brown. It took about 20 minutes. And now we are going to add the bell pepper and the potato. We're going to put them in. Okay, we are going to put the stock in now. I'm going to start with about a cup. And we're going to cover it, well, maybe about 1.5 cups. Okay, guys, I've already put in 1.5 cups of the broth. If you don't have the broth, you can just use water. And the potatoes don't take hardly no time at all to cook. So I'm going to leave them here for about 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to cover it, lower the heat, and I will be back as soon as it's ready. Okay, guys, the picadillo is ready, and this is what it looks like. I let it cook for 15 minutes after I covered it and tasted it for spices and everything was good. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you give it a try, come back and let us know how it worked out for you. Okay, guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.